Basic computer system operations. These are the fundamental actions you need to know to start and stop using a computer. Let's break them down. First, switching on and off the computer. So let's begin with switching on. The primary way to turn on a computer is by pressing the power button. The power button is usually found on the front or top of a desktop tower or on the side of a laptop. Once pressed, the computer will start its boot up sequence, which includes the operating system. And the next one is switching off. To turn off a computer safely, use the shutdown option located in the system menu. This ensures that all programs are closed properly and no data is lost. For Windows, click the Start button, then select Power, and then Shutdown.
Second, using the mouse.
The mouse is an essential tool for interacting with the graphical user interface or GUI of a computer. Basic mouse actions. Click. Pressing the left mouse button to select an item or activate a command. Double-click. Quickly pressing the left mouse button twice to open a file or program. Right-click. Pressing the right mouse button to open a context menu with additional options. Scroll. Using the scroll wheel, if available, to move up or down on a page. Drag and drop. Clicking and holding the left mouse button to move an item from one location to another.
What is computer keyboard? A computer keyboard is an essential input device that enables users to interact with a computer by entering text, numbers, and commands. And the keyboard consists of various types of keys that serve different purposes. And these are alphanumeric keys, function keys, modifier keys, navigation keys, and special keys. And there are three unusual keys on standard keyboards, and these are escape key, print screen key, and scroll lock key. Efficient use of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts significantly enhance productivity by allowing users to perform tasks more quickly than using a mouse. There are 5 general shortcuts. Number 1. Ctrl-C. Copy selected text or item to the clipboard. Number 2. Ctrl-V. Paste the contents of the clipboard into the current document or field. Number 3. Ctrl-X. Cut selected text or item, removing it from its original location. Number 4. Ctrl-Z. Undo the last action performed, allowing for quick corrections. Number 5. Ctrl-A. Select all items in the current document or window, facilitating block actions. In conclusion, mastering keyboard operation is vital for enhancing productivity and efficiency when using computers.
Good day everyone, I'm Jarvis Jade Kanaya from BSIT Set C. Today I will be talking about file and folder operations. which are the basic skills we use when working with computers. These operations help us organize our documents properly, avoid losing files, and manage our storage efficiently. First, let's talk about creating and saving a document. When we want to write or create something, we open an application like Microsoft Word, Notepad, or Excel, or it can be OneNote, Outlook, or WPS. To start a new document, we need to open the application. For now, we will use Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is the new file or to open or to start a new document. Click File, then New, then you can choose whatever templates you want. For now, we will use blank document. For faster way or shortcut keys on your keyboard to create more files in a short time, you just press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard. As you can see, we already have or created 8 documents in our Microsoft Word. And now, for now, we will only use one for an example. So we will close it, or you just press Alt F4 on your keyboard. After making the document, we need to save it. So let's write something here. For example, my name. After that, click File, then press Save As, then Document. After that, as you can see, then we choose the file name since I already have one. Then next is to find or locate location where you want to save. So click Document. Then you can choose what type of document you want to save it. For example, PDF, Word template, or whatever it is that suits you. For now, let's choose Word document and then save. And that's it. After that, we will tackle next is the moving files or folders. So how do we move files? How do we move the files or folders? Moving means relocating a file from one place to another. So there are two common methods on how you move the files or your folders. Go to your files. For example, we already have here a document. For example, I'll move this into the downloads. You just simply click and hold and drag the file to a new location. For example, this file, I will move it into the music. And there you have it. Or for simply or for fastest way, you can just do Control plus X to cut and Control plus V to paste. So Control V meaning we will paste the file to another location. For now, we will get back to the document location. Control V. There you go. And if you want to make a copy, you just simply click the file, then press Ctrl plus C, and then you put it into the music. There you have it. 2 files in a 2 location. Now for deleting the files or remove the file, we simply just do. And by the way, if you want to not doing the keyboard or shortcut, just simply press the file, right click, then press cut or copy. Again, we will just do paste. There you go. Since we have already duplicated file, you can just skip this file. Just like that. Now we have one file. And then also in the document. To delete a file, just right click and choose delete. Done. The file will go to the recycle bin or trash, meaning it is not permanently gone yet. To remove it forever, we need to empty the recycle bin. Here, recycle bin. Wait, let me enlarge the icon. Recycle bin. Okay, there. Just press empty recycle bin and to delete all these items. And done. All the items or the documents have been deleted. And that ends my report on file and folder operations. These basic skills are essential for keeping our computers organized and making our work easier and more efficient. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you the basic word processing environment in Microsoft Word and the most useful navigation and layout commands, like setting margins, paper size, orientation, and columns. By the end, you will know how to make your documents look neat and ready to print. Let's start! First, open Microsoft Word from your desktop. If you're starting fresh, click blank document to open a new page. Next, head to the Layout tab at the top of the window. This is where you will control your margins, paper size, orientation, and columns. When setting margins, you will see options like normal, narrow, and wide. Choose one for quick formatting. And if you need specific measurements, select custom margins and enter your top, bottom, left, and right values. Now click size to choose your desired paper size. The most common options are letter and A4. Selecting the correct size ensures your document prints properly. If you want your document to look taller, use portrait orientation. This is the default layout for most documents such as essays, reports, and letters. But if you want your document to look wider, choose landscape orientation. This is helpful when you're working with wide tables, charts, pictures, or anything that needs more horizontal space. To format text into columns, highlight the part you want to adjust, or press Ctrl A to select all. Then go to columns and choose 1, 2, or 3. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you understand the basic layout tools in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions or need more clarifications, feel free to ask us. That's all for this lesson. Thank you and goodbye.
Formatting and inserting shapes and picture. Formatting includes changing the color, size, outline effects, and position of those shapes or pictures to make them look better. Inserting shapes and picture. This means adding shapes like circle, arrows, rectangle, and pictures, photos, images into a document. Grouping allow you to combine multiple shape or picture into a one unit so you can move, size, or format.
Creating a table is the first step in organizing your data effectively. To create a table, follow these steps. Open applications like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or similar software. Create or open a document. Start a document by selecting New Document, or open an existing one by navigating to File, Open, and selecting your desired file. Navigate to the Insert menu, locate the Insert tab. Look for the Insert tab in the toolbar at the top of the application window. Select Table, access the Table option, click on the Table icon. This action will typically display a grid or a drop-down menu with various table options. Choose the desired number of rows and columns, select Rows and Columns. Drag your cursor over the grid to highlight the number of rows and columns you want in your table. Once your table is created, you can format it to improve its appearance and functionality. First, select the table, activate the Table Design tab. Click anywhere inside the table to activate the Table Design tab in the toolbar. Second, apply styles. Use the table design options. Borders. Add or modify borders around cells to define sections clearly. You can choose different styles, colors, and thicknesses for the borders. Shading. Change the background color of cells to enhance visual distinction. This is particularly useful for highlighting certain areas or separating sections. Font adjustments. Modify the font's type, size, and color to improve readability. Consistent font styling helps maintain a professional appearance. In resizing rows and columns, hover over the borders of rows or columns until you see a double-headed arrow. Click and drag to adjust their sizes as needed. Modifying tables. Tables may require modifications as your data needs change. Here's how to do it. In adding and removing rows and columns, right-click on a row or column header to access options for adding or deleting rows and columns. Choose Insert or Delete as needed to adjust your table structure. Merging cells. Select the cells you want to merge. Right-click and choose Merge Cells. Splitting cells. To split a cell into multiple smaller cells, right-click on the desired cell and select Split Cells. Specify how many rows and columns you want to create from the original cell. Inserting data. Click on each cell entering data. Click directly on a cell to enter data manually. You can type text, numbers, or other content as needed. Copy and paste data. If you have data from other sources, you can copy it and paste it directly into your table. Save the document saving options. Go to File menu and select Save As. Choose your preferred format, name your file, and select the location to it.
This is a collection of related items displayed in sequence. It can be used to highlight key points, steps in a process, or group information. There are two main types of lists used in computing: bulleted lists, numbered lists. Bulleted list is used when the order of items does not matter. Each item is marked with a bullet symbol or other shape. Bulleted lists are ideal for presenting information or equal importance. So this is step by step on bulleted list. Step 1. Open your word processor. Start by opening a new or existing document in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Step 2. Highlight the text. Select the lines of text you want to format as a list. Examples: apples, bananas, oranges, or grapes. Step 3. Locate the bullet icon and navigate to the Home tab in Word for the format. Bullets and numbering menu in Google Docs, and find the bullets icon, usually represented by 3 dots or lines. Step 4. Click and choose a style. Click the main icon to apply the default bullet style instantly, or click the drop-down arrow next to select a specific bullet symbol. Numbered list. Numbered list is used when the items need to be in a specific order or sequence, such as instructions. So this is the steps for numbered list. Step 1. Ensure your document with the unformatted steps is open. Turn on the computer and open the word processing application. Step 2. Highlight all the sequential steps. Step 3. Next to the bullets icon on the toolbar, you will find the numbering icon, usually represented by 1, 2, 3. Step 4. Click the icon to apply basic numbering, or use the drop-down menu to choose a specific format, or Roman numerals, letters, or numbers with a parenthesis.
You will learn how to create a text box in Microsoft Word in 60 seconds. For that we have to click on the Insert tab. After that, go to the right side. And here is the option of text box. Click on its drop down. And here click on the option of Draw Text Box below. A plus sign will appear and you can draw a text box with it. Now in the middle you can type whatever you want.
Hi, good day everyone. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to use shadow, reflection, and glow. In the upper case, you can click the A over there below the font size, and then you can choose or select either outline, shadow, reflection, and glow. And then right after, click the outline, then select the theme colors, and then click shadow, and then you can select whether outer, inner, and perspective. Then right after, select the reflection, and then click the reflection variations you want. Also, if you guys want to make the text more noticeable, I'll suggest you can use glow.
Welcome! In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to use gradient fill in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open your Word document and select the text or shape you want to apply a gradient to. Step 2. On the ribbon, click the Format tab or Drawing Tools or Shape Format for shapes. Text Format for word art. Step 3. Click the Text Fill for text or Shape Fill for shapes. Choose Gradient for or more gradients. Step 4. In the Format pane, under Fill, choose Gradient Fill. Step 5. Choose a gradient type, linear, radial, rectangular, or path. Step 6. Pick a direction and angle to change how the gradients flow. Step 7. Use gradient stops to add or remove stops. Click a stop to change its color and position to 0% to 100%. Step 8. Adjust transparency and brightness for each stop to create depth or highlights. Step 9. Use preset gradients for quick styles or fine-tune your own manually. Step 10. When satisfied, click Close. Optionally save the shape as a preset or copy formatting to other elements. And that's it. Try experimenting with gradient stops and transparency to create depth. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Adukas Jiburay from BSIT Setsi and we are Group 10. Our topic is all about mail merging. Before we start, you will need an Excel file with the information you want to use, like names, addresses, or any details you want to include in your letters. First, let me introduce my group members.
Hi, I am Richdev S. Emilia.
Hello, my name is Rogelio Lester.
I'm Redo Shukri.
And I'm Salardi Charleston. So let's start. What is mail merging?
Mail merge is a feature in Microsoft Word that helps you create documents faster.
It allows to make many personalized letters, labels, or emails at once.
Instead of typing each letter one by one, you can use a template for all your documents.
Then the Word will automatically fill the information from your Excel for each person.
This way, you save time and make sure all your letters have the correct details.
Here's the step-by-step on how to do mail merge.
First, open a new Word document and create your letter template. Leave spaces for the personalized information like names and addresses.
For step 2, next go to Mailing tab in Word, Then click Start Mail Merge. Choose the type of document that you want to create, like letters, envelopes, or labels. In this tutorial, we will choose letters.
After that, select your recipients. This is where you choose your Excel file with all data. Make sure your Excel file has clear column headings like first name, last name, or address.
Then insert merge fields into your Word document. Merge fields are placeholder that will replace the actual information from your Excel file.
Finally, preview your letters to make sure everything looks correct. Then click the Finish and Merge to print or save all your letters.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on mail merging. We hope this helps you save time and make your letters easier. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is from a subject Introduction to Computing, and this is the last group of Group 11, the last but not the least. So I'm going to explain how to use the print panel in Microsoft Word, or you can use WPS Office. You can search on it when to printing a document. So let's get started. Okay, first, when we go to the file here, click this, and there's a bunch of options right here since we're discussing about the printing the document. So go to print here, click this, like this is what it looks like. There's a printer, copies, layout, pages, color, and more, and etc. But before that, if you guys are about to rushing out your work, since let's just say about your deadline task would be, your task deadline would be today or tomorrow. So don't worry, I got you. All you have to do just Control and P to the print panel appears just like this. It still be the same. So this window is where we adjust everything before we print our document. Alright, so the first part is a printer settings and other options. Here we can choose which printer to use. Okay, so what paper size we want, like A4. Where is it? You should click this here first. Click it, and as you can see, there are paper size here. So this is what paper size we want, like A4 or letters, and also just like this, and also the orientation or the short name would. This is what it looks like. This is what I call a layout and short name. But if you guys want to see where the orientation here is, okay, I'll tell you. Go to print using system dialog. Click here, or you can do a Control Shift and P. Here, this is what I like. Just like I said about the orientation, you can do a landscape or portrait, just like this. Just like what I'm saying here, layout or orientation, you can also do that too. This is what it looks like. There are different between these two, landscape and portrait. Okay, so here we can set how many copies we need here. Let's just say 10. If you want to do this at least 10 copies, then Okay, so after copies, you can choose a page range if you want. If you only want to certain pages, let's go here. Click this, and as you can see, if you see these pages, go here and custom range. This is what it looks like. Page range here. Or also you can also do this instead. It is what it looks like. Scroll down, and as you can see, there are another page range. Then if decide if we only if we want to print in color, if you guys want to color, let's just let's do the okay. Let's give you some example here. If you want to do this, let's just say here, just like this. If you want to do color, hello, good morning, and go to print. So imagine if you guys want to print let's just say color. So if you choose color, so and when it printed, so as you will see the color would be the same as here. It's the same color. That's a blue or sky blue. Or if you want to choose a black or white, this is how it looks like. And we can also set the print quality. So since I don't have any printing device here at home, so just imagine if you guys have a printer. So go here and add the printer. Okay, imagine this will be connecting by your printer device if you guys have. Okay, so if you go to if you will see a printer preview, so as you can see, there are a bunch of let's just say there are standard, high quality, or maybe normally, something like that, and there are a color or anything else. So you will figure or know how to make it a printer quality, let's just say standard or high quality. So about the printer quality like draft or high quality, all of these settings to make sure the document prints exactly how we want it. And yet I almost forgot to tell that you can also do this here. Go to print, and just like this, you can also add printer. Yeah, this is really the same as like I did earlier. Okay, so the next is the print panel navigation. This simply means how we move through the print window. We can check the preview on the right side to see how the page will look when printed. Just like this. It clings, right? Yeah. Okay. Then we can switch different tabs or options like layout or advanced. As you can see here, yeah, this is the same as the last tab before this. And okay, lastly, and once everything looks correct, let's just say they're printed like hello, good morning, and go. If anything looks fine, like yeah, everything looks correct, then the final one is printing. Yes, go and print click it to make it printing, or you can do the you can also do this print, click it. Let's just say if you click it, or if you also click this, it will appear, but you have to save it first while printing, or maybe before printing your task that you had. Let's just say, and goodbye. And then this is okay. So as you see, the printing will get started. So yeah, that's how the printing a document works in WPS or Microsoft Word. They are same. So yeah, that's pretty much in on this video. So hopefully you guys pay attention from this video, or thank you so much all of you for understanding. Or if you guys don't understand, you should try and repeat this video. So yeah, and once again, thank you and take care and peace.